Okay, so now you can see me here inside of the computer behind me. And what you want to go to when you're inside the headset and you've hit casting, you hit computer. That's great. Now you go to oculus.com casting. You make sure that your Wi-Fi is the same network as the network of the headset that you're casting from. And obviously, your laptop is plugged into the HDMI large screen for your audience to see. And so I'm going to go inside my headset and do like I showed you. I'm clicking on cast, I'm clicking on web, I'm clicking on next. And then it's waiting on the computer. And since I'm logged in with my same account, obviously for the headset as the computer here at oculus.com, you can now see inside of my headset. You can see what I'm seeing. And this is where I would show the audience the things inside of VR. And I can click on widescreen so that you get the full screen view, which is nice instead of that short screen. And then I can turn up the volume so you can hear what's going on inside of the VR headset. And I'll show you just real quick here. So one thing, couple tips and tricks in here. If you're casting up on a big screen, move your head very slow because it can be very bumpy for the people watching. It's not bumpy to you, but it's bumpy to them. And then I'll pick an application, and you can jump into that application. Let's pick this nice little job simulator. And so see, your audience can see what you're seeing inside of the VR headset on the big screen. And all kinds of fun here. I can they get to see everything that's going on, hear you, and hear what's happening. So I think that's about it for the tips and tricks today. I just wanted to kind of run you through casting, and when you're all done inside of your headset, casting for your audience, you hit that Oculus button we talked about earlier in the orientation, and hit quit, or hit the camera button, hit casting, stop casting, and you're done. So I hope that's helpful as you are trying to show things for your audience, your classroom, or your training room. All right, well, we'll see you next week for more tips and tricks by VEDX. If you want to see all of our software or our kits that we have on vedx.io, please visit vedx.io and click subscribe so you get a notification when more of these come up. Okay, see you later.